Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about disorder. Disorders, it is a problem or illness which affects someone's mind or body. It is usually related with mental disability. Disorders create disturbance in an individual performance and reduce his efficiency. In the beginning, disorder seems to be normal, but they usually grow or spread in a harmful manners in an individuals, and if a disorder is not detected in time, a simple disorders will change into disability, and if it changes into disability, it cannot be cured. For examples, eye disorders due to eye weakness. He can see, but he faces difficulty in seeing. But if the treatment is not done, then this disorders, eye disorder change into eye disability. That is, he become completely blind, and if he become blind, he cannot be cured. It is permanent. So disorders is to be detected on times and proper treatment should be taken. Types of disorders like attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, autism spectrum disorders, sensory processing disorders, oppositional defiant disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders. Let's discuss step by step. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, it is a brain disorders in which the person is unable to pay attention or hyperactivity or impulsivity that disturb the functioning or behavior of our problems. It is characterized by problems paying attention. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, it is of three types. It is of three types: inattentions, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Inattention means the person is unable to pay attention or focus on things for a long time. He faces difficulty to sustaining or to focus. Hyperactivity, it means the person seems to be move about constantly. Um, it may be extreme, which not be appropriate. Moving here and there. Impulsivity means the person's make a hasty actions that occurs in the moment without first thinking about them. Doing hasty actions without thinking, and that may have high potentials to harm. And the symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders are like persons unable to pay attention, he faces difficulty in paying attention, excessive activity, activity, unable to control his behaviors, etc. And the cause of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders may be due to genetic factors, that is from his parents to the child. Brain injury, when the baby brain is damaged before the birth or after the birth, it may be the reason for attention deficit hyperactivity. Low birth weight, it is observed that the child with low birth weight are more likely to be attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. Brain injury, diet, etc. These are the cause of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. Management technique, how you can manage, like with the help of counseling, changing his behaviors, behavior therapy, lifestyle change, medical treatment, medications, etc. These are the some management technique of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. Sensory processing disorders. Sensory processing disorders, um, it is a problem in which the brain has difficulty in receiving and responding the information that come in through the sense. Okay, in this sensory processing disorder, the persons face difficulty in receiving the information. If he does not receive the information, then he will face difficult to respond to that information. Sensory processing disorders affect one's sense such as touch, hear, taste, etc. It may the cause of sensory processing disorders may be due to uh, due to genetic factors, low birth weight at the time of birth, environmental factors, drugs, brain injury, etc. These are the cause of sensory processing disorders, and the symptoms like the person is unable to respond, unable to respond. His sense is no more responding, like hearing, touch, taste, etc. Next is management technique. How you can manage? With the help of changing his lifestyle through medications, etc. Autism spectrum disorders. Autism spectrum disorders, it is a developmental disorders. Okay, autism spectrum disorders, it is a developmental disorders in which the person face difficulty in communicating and interacting with the others. He have repetitive behaviors. Okay, in autism spectrum disorders, the persons have difficulty in communicating, learning skill, behaviors, social interacting. He is unable to interact with the other person, etc. And the symptoms are like unable individuals do not socialize, prefer to live alone, feel difficulty to communicate with the others, live in their own world, etc. And the cause of autism spectrum disorders, the cause may be due to genetic factors, physical factors, psychological factors, social factors, brain injury, etc. And the management technique, like changing his behaviors by doing physical activity, health cares program, etc. Oppositional defined disorders. Oppositional defined disorders, it is a disorders. It is mainly seen in the child. The child play an ongoing patterns of angry, irritation, mood. The child, oppositional defined disorders. In this, the child, it is mainly seen in the child. The child display an ongoing patterns of angry, irritations, mood, unwanted actions, activity, fighting, refuse the orders, blaming others, frustrations, etc. And the symptoms like fighting, blaming others, blaming others for their own mistake, lose temperatures, argumentative behaviors, wants to take revenge, easily annoyed, etc. And the cause of oppositional defined disorders may be due to genetic factors, biological factors, psychological factors, injury in the brain, neurotransmitters, family problems, etc. A management technique like sympathetic attitude with the child, changing his lifestyles, social skill program, angry management program, counseling, etc. Next is oppositional obsessive compulsive disorders. Obsessive compulsive disorders, It is a mental disorders that cause unwanted thought unwanted thought. Therefore, to get a read from this unwanted thought, a person do the same thing again and again. Mental health disorders that affect the peoples of all ages. Okay, obsessive compulsive disorders. It is a type of mental illness that cause unwanted thought in the mind. Therefore, to get a read from this, he do the same thing again and again. For example, washing the hand again and again, checking the door that he has closed the door or not, etc. Cause. The exact cause of obsessive compulsive disorders is still unknown. Research study suggests that there may be problems with the way one part of the brain sends information to another part of the brain, and its management technique like with the help of changing his life behavior therapy, sympathy attitude social behaviors, changing his lifestyles, medications, etc. Disability etiquette, it is a set of guidelines how to deal with people with disability. First is talk directly. Whenever you meet with a person with disability, speak directly to that person through a companion or a sign language interpreter. Okay, whenever you meet with a disabled persons, talk directly to that person, not with the persons who is with him. Offer to shake hand whenever you when introduced to a person with disability. When you introduce with a disabled persons, offer to shake hand shake hand, he will feel comfortable. Explain before conversing with a visually impaired. If a person is visually impaired, then introduce yourself and the peoples who are with you. Ask before you help. Whenever you want to help them, ask before them. If they accept, then only help the people. Address them by their first name as with the others. As we call by the first name to the other peoples, call the disabled persons also with their first name. Don't touch or lean a wheelchair. Okay, never touch the wheelchair of a disabled person. Listen them carefully. Um, Listen them carefully. When you are talking with a persons who have difficulty in speaking, be patient and wait for the persons to finish. Then only do correction. Never do correction in between. First, give him chance to complete his. If necessary, ask for a short question that require for short answers. Okay, never pretend to understand if you having difficulty doing so. Offers for help or assistance. People who are blind know how to orient themselves and get around on the street. They are competent to travel unassisted, though they may use a cane or a guide dog. Therefore, be prepared to offer assistance. For example, reading when asked, speak clearly and slowly, or use body or the sign language to get uh, to get the attention of a person who is deaf. Tap the persons on the shoulders or with the sign language. Relax while assisting or helping them. Feel relaxed, feel comfortable whenever you help the disabled persons. These are the some disability attitude which you have to do whenever you meet the disabled persons. Okay, disability attitude means it is a set of guidelines how to deal with a disabled persons. Whenever you meet with the disabled persons, talk directly to that persons, offer to shake hand with the disabled persons, explain before conversing, introduce yourself, ask before help, never touch their wheelchairs, listen them carefully. If the persons have difficulty in speaking, listen them carefully, give them chance to complete their thought, never correct in between, offer for help, speak clearly, slowly, or use sign language, body language, and feel relaxed whenever you assist, whenever you help to the disabled person. Next is uh, it includes lot of what are the strategy to make physical activity accessible for children with special need. Okay, strategy to make physical activity accessible for children with disability. The first is activity according to the individual ability. If physical activity are specifically and specialized designed for them, okay, physical activity should be designed according to their ability. Modify equipment should be modified and designed according to their ability. Simple and easy rules, make a simple and easy rule for the disabled persons. Motivate to participate, always motivate the disabled person to participate in physical activity. Well instruct and well trained. Before participating in the physical activity, train them properly. Training should be given properly. Encouragement from spectators. We should encouragement. There should be encouragement from the audience. Audience should encourage the disabled person. Whereas care should be taken. Care should be taken that they should not get hurt physically or mentally. Motivate them. Okay, and suitable environment. The environment should be neat, clean, healthy, and according to their and especially according to their disability, according to their needs. Participation under the expert. Always they should participate under the expert observations only with full safety measures, and simple to complex. And whenever you teach physical activity, it should be start from the simples and then complex. Okay, these are the some strategy to make physical activity accessible for children with disability. We have complete our fourth unit, physical educations and sports for children with special needs, in which we have discussed about disability and disorders and strategy to make physical activity accessible for children with disability. Disability, let's do a quick revision. Disability means lack of ability to do a work, means disability, it is an impairment which affect everyday activity of an individual. Okay, disability, it is an impairment which does not permit an individual to perform any activity or movement in a normal way. For example, if a person's leg is cut, then the person cannot walk properly, cannot walk normally as a normal person. It may be present, disability may be present in an individual from birth or during one lifestyle, and disability has no cure. It is permanent, it can't be cured. Disorders, it is a problem or illness which affects someone's mind or body. It is mainly related to the mind. Disorders disturb an individual performance and reduce his efficiency. Disorders in the beginning seem to be normal, but slowly it grows, spread, and change into disability. If it changes into disability, it cannot be cured. Disability, it is a disadvantage. And disorders, it is a disturbance that disturb the normal functioning of an individual. The cause of type of disability, there are three types of disability: physical impairment, physical impairment, cognitive disability, and intellectual disability. Physical impairment or mobility or physical impairment means related to physical functioning. The person is not able to use his upper or lower body, related to musculoskeletal system, circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, etc. The persons face difficulty in running, walking, unable to use his upper limb, lower limb, etc. And the cause may be due to illness, accident, malnutrition, etc. Cognitive disability. Cognitive disability, it affects a person's thought process, personality, and memory resulting, for example, from the brain injury. Cognitive disability, it is a kind of impairment which does not permit an individual to store, process, and produce. The persons face difficulty in reading, writing, speaking. Okay, cognitive disability, it is a neurological disorders related to nervous system that create hindrance in an individual to store, process, and produce the information. The person is not able to store the information, process the information, and produce the new information. Therefore, he faced difficulty in reading, writing, speaking. He faced difficulty. Dyslexia means he faced difficulty in reading, writing, speaking. Cognitive disability, it is of three types: memory disorders, hyperactivity, and dyslexia. Memory disorders means he faced difficulty in remembering something what he had heard or said or saw before some time. Hyperactivity means the individual is not able to pay attention for long times. He finds difficulty to stay at one place, roaming here and there. And dyslexia means the persons have difficulty in reading, writing, and speaking. And intellectual disability, it is related to intellectual and developmental disability, which is in which the persons face difficulty in reading, communicating, learning, thought process. He face difficulty in remembering the informations, making the judgment, problem solving, etc. His IQ level is low. In intellectual disability, his IQ level is low. And the cause, what are the cause of disability? The cause of disability may be due to genetic factors from his parents to the child, environmental factors due to the accident, injury, illness, brain injury, etc. Cancers, heart attack due to diabetes, neuromuscular disability, disease, malnutrition, war, use of chemicals, accidents, heredity, etc. Disorders like attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. In attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, it is a brain disorders in which the persons face difficulty in paying the attentions. You face difficulty in paying the attentions, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. And the symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders are unable to pay attentions, excessive activity. He faces difficulty in controlling his behaviors, etc. And attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, it is of three types: inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Inattention means unable to pay attention or focus on a things for a long time. He is unable to pay attention. Hyperactivity means persons moving here and there. The person seems to move about constantly. is not able to sit in a one place for a long time. Impulsivity means making the hasty actions without thinking, doing anything without thinking. And the symptoms and the cause of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders may be due to genetic factors, environmental factors, low birth weight, brain injury, malnutrition due to diet problem, etc. And the treatment may be by changing his lifestyle, behavior therapy, counseling, motivations, medications, etc. Sensory processing disorders, it is a disorders in which the brain has problem in receiving and responding the information that come in through the sense. Okay, it is a brain, the persons face difficulty in receiving and responding to the informations that come in through the sense. His sense is no more respond. Symptoms like sensory processing disorders are disorders may affect one sense like hearing, touching, touch, taste. He does not respond. Cause may be due to genetic factors, low birth weight, environmental factors, drugs, injury, etc. And the management technique by changing his lifestyle, therapy, etc. Autism spectrum disorders. Next is autism spectrum disorders. It is a developmental disorders. In autism spectrum disorders, the persons face difficulty in communicating, language problems, social skill, behavior problems, tendency to engage in repetitive behaviors, doing the same thing again and again, avoid eye contact with the other persons. Symptoms may be do not socialize with the other peoples, feel difficult to communicate with the other people, to express their feeling, etc. And the management cause of autism spectrum disorders may be due to genetic factors, physical factors, environmental factors, psychological factors, etc. And the management technique like changing his behavior, behavior therapy, physical activity, healthcare professionals, etc. Oppositional defined disorders. Oppositional defined disorders, it is a disorders in which the child show an ongoing patterns of irritations, angry mood, aggressiveness, violent behavior towards others, do not obey, fighting, refuse to obey, frequent frustrations, speaking without thinking, feeling annoying, etc. And the symptoms of oppositional defined disorders may be obey, do not follow the rules and regulations, argumentative behaviors, blaming others for their own mistake, frequently losing their temper, wants to take revenge, easily annoyed, etc. And the cause may be due to genetic factors, biological factors, psychological factors, social skill, etc. And the management technique like changing his behaviors, behavior therapy, sympathy attitude, social skill program, management technique program, family therapy, etc. Last, obsessive compulsive disorders. It is related to mental illness in which there is unwanted thought in the mind. Therefore, to get a read from this unwanted thought, the persons do the same thing again and again, like people's counting the things again and again, checking the door, etc. If he is unable to control their thought or activity. and the cause may be uh, due to biological low birth weight problems in the pathway of brain, genetic infections, environmental factors, etc. And disability attitude means it is a set of guidelines how to deal with a disabled persons whenever. And some disability attitudes is talk directly. Whenever you meet with the disabled persons, talk directly to them, offers to shake hand, introduce yourself, ask before help. Whenever you want to help, ask before help, address by their own name as we call the other persons, listen them carefully, speak clearly, slowly, use sign language, etc. And feel relaxed whenever you help the disabled person.